Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GoPro cases that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the camera case for GoPro. This GoPro case is ideal for holding the models GoPro 3 and 4. The sleek and compact design of this GoPro case is very much handy and suitable for traveling. The intelligently designed angled inner pocket of this GoPro case allows a quick retrieval of the camera and accessories. The padded camera compartment of this case keeps the camera and accessories crush-proof. The case weighs very much light, so you can carry it by your hand. Made with robust EVA material, this GoPro case provides proper protection to your accessories against the damage. Besides, this case also comes with a convenient 44-inch shoulder strap. The strap is easily detachable, retractable, and adjustable to provide you with hands-free operation. This case also includes a grab handle for the swift transportability. You can take a few batteries, SD cards, and adhesive mounts along with your GoPro in this carry case. This GoPro carry case is compact enough to fit in your luggage bag. The case also helps you to keep your camera accessories in an organized way. Moving on at number 4, we have the accessories for GoPro Hero 7/6/5 Hero 2020 Starter Kit Travel Case. Constructed with premium quality PMMA material, this GoPro case is resistant to water up to 45 meters. You can easily go for surfing, diving, snorkeling or other sports activities by carrying GoPro in this case. The case is ideal for holding GoPro Hero editions, excluding the Hero 7 Silver, White. The 17x12x7 cm diameter of this case fits comfortably in your carry bag. This GoPro case helps you to organize your camera and accessories and keeps it in the proper place. The 3 packs of anti-fog inserts of this case also prevent the lens from catching fogs and humidity. Another 3 packs protect the LCD display. The HD protector films keep the dust, dirt away and keep your camera scratch-proof. The included cleaning tool keeps your camera clean. This is a silicone protective case. Moreover, the silicone layer of the case retains the heat inside of the case to prevent the camera battery from draining. The silicone also prevents the camera from self-injury. This is a durable product at a cost-effective price and one of the best GoPro cases to go for. At number 3, we have the compatible carrying case with fully customizable interior. This GoPro case is highly recommended for your convenient traveling with your camera and accessories. The soft, steady, and perforated foam inside of the case perfectly holds your camera and accessories. You just need to mark out the shape of the object you want to put inside of the case. Then, you need to gently remove the foam. You can use this case not only to fit GoPro but also you can put things according to your need. In the lid of the case, you get 2 soft, flexible mesh pouches. You can also keep small accessories like cable or SD cards in these pockets. The outer layer of this case comes with nylon mesh. Both the inner and outer layers are sturdy and light in weight. So, you can easily carry your camera and accessories inside of this case. The case also provides an easy manageability of your camera and accessories. With a diameter of 13 x 8.5 x 2.5 inch, this case provides a convenient storage option and proper transportability. At number 2, we have the carrying case for GoPro Hero 7/6/5 4/3+3 GoPro Hero 2020. Constructed with premium quality EVA material, this case protects the camera and equipment from the scratches. The 0.6 x 8.3 x 2.8 diameter of the case easily holds up to 2 GoPro cameras with the essential accessories. The case has several different compartments to keep all your essential equipment. With the aid of the carabiner loop, you can easily attach the case to the belt or a large bag. The case also comes with a convenient strap for easy transportability. Moreover, the detachable EVA foam allows you to set according to your preference. And finally at number 1, we have the compatible case for GoPro Hero 7/6 5 Black. This GoPro case is compatible with holding GoPro Hero 6 and 5 camera models with accessories. The inner layer of this case is resistant to dust. The case has the perfect design to fit the GoPro Hero 5 Black camera. Made by the tailor, this case has the precision to hold the camera and accessories accordingly. The elastic mesh pockets and compartments store your release buckles, SD cards, thumb screws, USB cables, and likewise. You can modify the premium quality EVA material interior layouts according to your preference. Besides, the shock-absorbing pads inside of the case also prevents your camera and accessories safe and sound. Made with the non-breakable highest quality nylon mesh, the outer layer of the case withstands the rough handling. The case is light in weight and comes with a suitable grip. This GoPro case only measures 9 by 6.5 by 2.75 inches for convenient storage. This case is ideal for traveling with your GoPro camera set. You get this durable GoPro case at a cost-effective price. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.